what mommy is buying.
I actually buy this one. Huh?
Yeah. You remember we bought like that in Bagalport? Kitna hai, mommy?
150 bol raha.
No.
बहुत बढ़िया पत्ता है.
Huh? Not this one.
Sahi hai, mommy. How much is this one? 100? 150?
कितना का हुआ total this one?
Ito yung pinili namin, tapos the rest kay mami na yan. Tapos pumili din siya ng fertilizer. Ang ganda nito. Oh.
We came here in a shop, new open restaurant. This for you. Yeah, I ordered cold coffee for you. Burgers for us. I mean that is French fries for you.
So siya, meron pa coffee sa daddy. This is chicken or veg? Veg? Punta kami ng furniture shop. Magtitingin-tingin kasi may mga plano kami na ilagay sa bahay. Nakikita niyo naman yung mga walls namin medyo plain pa. So nag-check pa kami kung ano yung pwedeng ilagay. Kagagaling lang namin dito sa bagong bukas na cafe. Malapit lang sa bahay and pauwi. Nakita namin si Arcelie naglalakad-lakad. Parang feeling ko nasa Pilipinas lang ako. Meron kang makikita Pilipina. Feels good. It feels good.
First time.
Yeah, first time na naglalakad lang kami dito. Tapos si Arcelie naglalakad din. So parang Pinas feels. Today actually is the celebration of Jan Masme. Doon sa school nila ni Meshka 2 days ago yung celebration. Pero today talaga. So marami yung bumibili ng mga pang-decors.
That's a banquet hall. Not a temple.
Left and right, they're all furniture shops.
क्या कीमत इसका भैया? 1400?
आइए एक चेक अंदर में ये अंदर में
The white one. Something white looks good. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa mga lights. This is nice, ano?
See this one.
What this? Wow, look at this. Buddy? So big. Bonggan. This one, huh? This one, the standing. Tingin-tingin lang.
This is, remember, this is for wall, okay, and this is for wood and aluminium and metal.
We are back home. Got our drilling machine. Sabi ni Ami, from tomorrow, our whole house will have holes. Sabi ko, you start practicing now, tonight only. So tomorrow morning, you'll be professional already. So excited sa drilling machine. Kasi ang dami namin pinapagawa dito sa bahay, especially si Mami. So at least, nakabili kami. Hindi na namin kailangan magtawag ng karpintero. So we'll keep this warranty card. Should we start now? Let's start.
Lock it.
That I don't know. We are arranging the house. after we got the drilling machine, so I'm thinking if I'm going to put this frame. Is it good? Fix this one, Han. The second one. Make it little straight. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Early morning. Let's start drilling. Yeah. Yeah, okay. We are just using our old wall hanging decor. Parang nasasayangan din kami na hindi na magagamit ito. Anything there? Yeah.
But that also I will ask them to put it like that and behind now.
Which one?
Like this.
Yeah.
Like this I will add in that. For timing we'll keep it. We'll take it there and we'll ask them to put like this. Because if we open it, it will be able to. This is not because the nail is visible.
Or no, you just reverse it, put it below.
Sometimes you behave like your father's daughter.
Now it's looking good, right?
Better.
Yeah. New home improvements. Ta-da! And from outside, you can see this also if nakabukas yung aming pintuan dito sa kwarto. Pag nakabukas yung pintuan sa kwarto, makikita mo din na mayroong frame dyan. It's good. We have this Radha and Krishna frame also. We're also giving this to Mommy because she wants to put Radha and Krishna in her house. And sabi namin, wag na siyang bumili. Ito meron. And then, let's see if gusto din niya ito. Our whole morning we have spent rearranging, decluttering our house and putting some little home improvements. So, yung aming kitchen, naglinis din kami. Yung aming ref, minove namin siya doon. So, we now have a bigger space here. For now, ito muna yung aming nilagyan ng halaman. Maybe someday makapag-order ako ng stand for my plant, but for now, I'm making use of the stool. So, inusog namin siya dyan konti. Malaki pa yung space namin. Sabi ni Abby, bakit daw dati hindi ko inisip na pwede palang i-move namin yung ref dito. So, mas malaki yung space namin dito sa entryway, papasok dito sa kusina. So, yan, update sa aming kitchen. And, nice na to, diba? Yung kulang na lang is yung aming dining area, guys. I'm planning to put mirror dito na side para medyo lumaki yung space kapag merong mirror. Naghahanap pa din ako kung ano yung magandang ilagay dito. We shifted the sofa, extra sofa dito sa aming dining area. Maybe later, iaakyat ulit namin to sa taas. But for now, dito muna namin siya nilagay sa dining area. Kanina, dito kami kumain at parang okay naman siya na ilagay dyan for now. Pero maybe later on nga, ililipat namin yan. Para itong room na to is purely a work area or workstation namin. Ayan. yung table ni Mishka. This is my workplace. This is Abby's workplace. Meron kaming plant dyan. Yung money plant na doon sa TV rack dati. Nilagay ko dyan. Yung bata, dito na naman siya naglaro. So, from here, from the living area, if nakabukas yung pintuan namin doon, yung sinasabi ko kanina, meron kang makikita dyan na frame. Currently, my favorite. And my favorite girl. Mimi is learning Hindi. She is trying her best. We're so proud of you, Mimi. You're doing good. What is this one? You don't know? Only konti pa lang yung alam niya na letters eh.
छोटे से इमली बड़े से ई छोटे से उल्लू री से
सब चाइनीज है, कोई भी इंडियन ब्रांड नहीं है। बहुत सारे मेड इन चाइना ही आता है।
Pinamahan namin
ये
sa
पड़ेगा
RJ para
42 का, वो
bumili.
पड़ेगा 46 का।
High pressure washer.
तो ऑनलाइन ही सस्ता दे रहा भैया।
4500 लग जाएगा। ठीक है, रख लीजिए। इसमें मशीन है, ये पाइप है, ये पाइप कनेक्ट होगा इस गन में।
Dito kami ngayon sa pilihan ng planter. How much is that?
ये कितने का है भैया? 1150 का है।
How much?
1100।
1100.
मिमी
Get
केयरफुल
our
केयरफुल
plant.
बेबी।
I think this one. It's more.
ठीक है, घना काश है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ये तो कटिंग हो जाएगा।
200 में होगा भैया?
नहीं सर,
हाँ,
250 से कम नहीं।
250 फिक्स प्राइस है।
हाँ, बड़ा साइज का ही रहता है। कौन सा लेना है?
We get our new plant. 250 ito. Pero ang dami na niyang dahon. Hindi na siya makapaghintay, so nireplant namin yung halaman. We don't need a stand because this is tall. Huh? We don't need a stand. Yung air cooler namin, nilinis namin to kanina. And then, itatago namin to kasi hindi na siya ngayon kailangan kasi patapos na yung summer season. Now we're going towards winter time. So, hindi na masyadong kailangan. So, itago muna namin to.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. Maybe we can tie this.
Yeah,
This?
yeah,
Huh?
yeah, better.
That
Great.
white one. There. And we also bought 2 plates. This is so sticky.
What?
Uy, why it's not straight? Adjust. Are you there? Okay, let's try. Try it. Ah, it looks good. Uy, slowly. We have so many greens inside the house. Ay, I love it. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko ever since.
Take care of
I was also thinking that this palm plant, this would be nice here.
Yeah.
You try with Daddy? Try mo. Bye. No, maybe this side, other side hand, because it will cover the frame. Looks good, right? Looks so fresh. Huh?
Yeah.
Please like our channel, subscribe.